Are you also wondering like how to run Android apps on Windows 11 or Windows 10 without using emulator? So you are in a right video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can run Android apps on Windows without using emulator. So basically you can use it for multiple purposes, like you want to record something on your PC from your phone, like you want to play game and at the same time you want to record in your PC. So you can do that. You can showcase any Android apps or anything which is running in your Android phone on your PC. So basically we are going to use iMyFone Mirror 2. So this software will give you a real-time experience. You can handle Android apps using your mouse click. Okay, so let's see how it's work on my PC. Just click on this free download and install it. Click on start now, allow access. And now you can use it for Android and iOS both. Select your phone system. So I am using Android, so I'm going to do for Android. If you have iOS, same process you need to follow. Click on this Android. You need to connect your phone with your USB cable with your system. Check this box and click on allow. After that, go into phone settings. Go into about phone. In about phone, you need to look for build number. Tap on 3 times and it will enable your developer options. After that, search for developer options in settings. Select this and here you need to enable USB debugging. Now you will see here your device and click OK. Now you can see you are using your Android phone on your PC. Now you are free to install or run any app on your desktop. You can see I'm handling it from my mouse. Asphalt 89 Legend, it is downloading now here. And the best part of this software is there is no input delay. And here you can see you can use YouTube or any app you want to run. You are free to run. Like I'm searching for my YouTube channel, so I'm going to play my video here. So you can see you are playing your YouTube video. You can click on this full screen, so it is going to be on full screen. Now this is how you can view it on full screen. So if you want to watch any movie from your phone or you want to showcase anything to your client or anything you can do, right? Totally depends upon your use cases. Okay, so let's see other features here. You can record screen, you can capture a screenshot, you can turn off a screen like this, or you can turn it on again. In settings, you can change the theme also, go to dark theme. And if you have VIP version, so you can increase the picture quality to high and 60 fps, 720p, 1080p, many more things you will get in VIP section. You can view your messages, you can also call from your PC, you can use virtual assistant. So basically whatever you are doing in your Android phone, all things are going to be done on your PC by using this screen mirror. So basically this is a screen mirror. So this is the best way to use Android apps on your PC without using emulator. You can use it for your video call meetings, live streaming, and this software is also support multiple devices to run at the same time. You can mirror 2-3 devices at the same time on your PC. Another thing for gamers, like here we have keyboard mapping, so you can customize your keyboard according to your game, right? Just go to this like PUBG etc. So while playing game you can customize according to you. So if you are a gamer, you understand like how to do a key mapping. So key mapping is also supported. Now you can play this game, set it on full screen. Using my keyboard to play this game and it is working very smoothly. So this is how you can run or play Android games on your PC without using emulator. And the best thing is you can use it for multiple purposes.